Hi, I am Jason Mowens, and this is my Battleship Land Tiger project. This is a video of the current setup for our device. Here's our resetted screen. So we can see this is the Bluetooth module. This is what is communicating with the computer, as there are no plugs in the USB on either side. This is for the mouse right here. And then we have our power cable, no other cables. So this is how it is communicating, and the only other cable we have is the power cable to power our device. As you can see, you are able to play with your WASD, which will register on the board. Our flowchart of the code. So like most Battleship, you start the game, and this is where we have to initialize all our components, and we create our board. Since we don't have a physical board, we have to make sure that we remake it each time, and this goes straight to the LCD display. Then we have to randomize the CPU's boat. Since we are inputting ours, we want to make sure that the computers are set first, so there's no issues. Then we get to our point where we are setting our boats. This is where it's communicating with the user from the terminal window to the Bluetooth module. It'll send it back to our turn cycle, and this general chunk is our turn cycle. So you have the user takes their turn first, and then we check if we've destroyed every enemy ship. If we do, we win. If we don't, computer takes its turn. Then the computer's turn is taken, and we check to see if they destroyed all of the player's ships. If they have, we lose. Otherwise, we go back. And we repeat this cycle here until either the computer by random chance wins, or if we beat them. So upon pressing the reset button, we are given the opportunity to place our boats as you would be able to at the start of any Battleship game, as you can see right here. So then you're able to move around with your WASD, which are shown on the LCD, and press R to rotate. You can't rotate if the ship would go out of bounds. Same goes for this side over here. And if you were to press enter, as it says on the board once again, you'll place your boat. Now you can place all your boats. They'll go in order of 5, 4, both 3s, and then 2. And you're not allowed to place on top of your boat. It'll get mad at you. You can see by that flash. It's telling you in the serial port that you've already placed a boat there, so you need to go elsewhere. And once you're done placing, it will go back to the opponent's view. So if you see where my finger is down here on this button, if you press the int 0 button, you'll get to see where your boats are placed and where the computer has attacked you. And if you were to click that again, you'll go back to the other side. So now that we're playing Battleship, as the computer has already placed their boats, we're able to go around and try to find places. So in those 2 shots I've missed, another miss. And here we found a boat. Do the standard tactic of going in a line until we don't find something. As we can see, we likely found the 4 boat, and I'll just make sure by going around. So now we found the opponent's 4 boat, and in that time, the computer has fired as many as we have. So if we click our button again, we can see that they've actually hit a few locations. So those are marked as hits, those are unhit boats, and all their whites are miss. So they've hit a few boats, they're close to destroying our 3 boat. And if you were to continue until all the ships... As we can see here, since we shot all the other opponent's ships first, we are the victors in this. The computer fires randomly currently, and in the future it would be implemented so that it's firing with a little bit more of a strategy as I was attacking in diagonals.